Hi, I'm Mark Miller, Right Line Trading. I want to show you the way that I use ChatGPT to optimize our strategy settings. So let me get started. What I've got here that you're looking at right now is the NinjaTrader 8 trading platform. And at Right Line Trading, we also have automated strategies. So you can take these automated strategies, export the trades, bring them into ChatGPT, and use that to be the brain to help us optimize our strategies. So let me show you how I've been doing it. And there's probably 100 more ways to do it even better. So looking to show others how to do it, how I've been doing it, and then maybe how they could share back ideas with us and make it a win-win for us. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to export the trades through the trade performance. So I'm going to open up the trade performance. A window will pop up. So when the window of the trade performance pops up, just go ahead and select your dates here. I'll just pick about 3 weeks back. So I've got November 16th through the December 4th here. And I've got the strategies over here. So let's just take a look at a summary. The one that I want to work on right now is this Revo ES 30 range. And if I look at the performance, net performance was $4,458, and that's over. Let's take a look. I think that's over about a 10 days of trading. So these are to each day, how much it either made or lost each day, right in here. To use ChatGPT, we're going to go into trades up here, and we're going to export these trades. So we're going to export. I like to take it just to my root directory for downloads. One thing to notice is it exports in the CSV file. So not XLM, not XLS, not an Excel file, in the CSV. So it exported out here in my downloads folder, and it exported as a CSV file. I don't really care what it's named, so I'm just going to leave it whatever it decided to name it off the bat there. So now that I've got it exported, I can open up my ChatGPT window.
Order filled. Order filled.
So here's my ChatGPT window. And now once I have ChatGPT open, what I can do is I can hit that plus sign down here, bring in that file. Again, when you open that, you want to make sure that it's set to all files over here. Sometimes it's set just to XLM or XLS. So anyway, I grab the CSV file. And so now I want to do a prompt, and I'm going to go grab this prompt. What I'm going to tell it is that here are your 5 valid entry signals with their net profit, long, short, combined after excluding all trades with any such labels. So let me go back. That wasn't the actual prompt. Here's my prompt. That was what it told me after I said this. This was what I wanted to tell it, and it came back with that feedback. But here's what I would say. I said there should be 5 different entry signals. Show me the net profit for each, and exclude any trades with any other names. What we found out is in this data set, there was one trade right here that had an entry name of a short first stop loss. So this one got mixed around. The entry got moved into the exit, and the entry got moved into the exit. So anyways, we wanted it to exclude that one. And so now it gave me the performance, said it recalculated them. And it came back now with my top performing entry signals, top to bottom. So again, there's 5 different entry signals, and it's telling me which one is my best ones. So now I have the option to go back to my strategy. Again, we're optimizing this strategy right here. This is the Revo ES 30 range. Those are the trades that I exported. So now it's pretty, common sense or what to do here is, but what I need to do is basically deselect anything that's not either the C2 or the bias. Even though the oscillator's up 1,000 and the bias C2's up a little bit, I still want to just try to weed out anything possible that might be losers over time. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep this bias. Bias was good. It's up 3 grand. C2's up. And I'm going to get rid of everything else. So no oscillator, no pivot break, and down here, no wick. Okay. So now I've optimized this strategy for its best entry signals. And you know, now there's a lot of other things that we can do here. I'm not going to do them all, but you can do an MAE, MFE entry per signal, and then you can let's go ahead and just ask it. So I'm going to ask it to use those MAE and MFE to optimize the stops and targets, and let's just see what it comes back with. So I could have and I should have, and as you're doing these, what I would recommend is being more precise with the data. So with the prompt, I mean, so on that prompt, a better prompt would be currently my stop loss is set at, I don't even know the number, but I'd have to go look. I'd say 100 ticks, whatever the number is. And I would say my profit target was set at 250 ticks. So now optimize those based on that data. And then I'll get better results. So that's kind of the way that I've been using ChatGPT is maybe ask it a broad question, see if it makes sense, and then narrow down the question with a more rigid requirement for it. Yeah, so this thing is, you know, it's intense. It can really dig in and then tell us exactly what's going on. But it knew exactly that we were trading the ES, if they were 12.50 a tick, $50 per point, and it's going to tell us. So I'm just kind of reading this as I'm going along here. It's MFE is how far price goes in your favor. So here for the bias, it would recommend 57 ticks for stop loss and 95 ticks for the profit target. And each one it will tell us you know, recommended suggestions. So again, 54, 73. So let's just compare it. Yeah, it was 57.95. So again, pick somewhere in between there. Probably would be the right ones to go with. So again, ChatGPT can do just about anything. So once you get the data in there, it's really the world's your oyster. And then you would just go back to the strategy settings and try to optimize from there. So hope this video helped. If not, reach out to us here at Right Line Trading. We'll try to give you some more pointers of what we've learned, or you can share your ideas back with us. Appreciate you joining the video here today. I hope it was helpful. Everybody have a good day. Good luck trading. Bye now.